As many as 20 coaches of the 19168 Sabarmati Express passenger train derailed near Govindpuri station in Kanpur during the early hours of Saturday. There is no report of any loss of life or injury in the accident. North Central Railway Senior Public Relations Officer Shashikant Tripathi informed that the accident occurred at 2:30 am. He said that there is no report of loss of life or property. The train was going from Varanasi to Ahmedabad and the derailment happened between Kanpur and Bhimsen railway station. Rescue and relief operations are underway.
तो इसमें derailment भले हुआ लेकिन कोई इंजरी और कोई कैजुअलिटी नहीं हुई है। जो भी पैसेंजर इसमें थे उनको हम लोगों ने ट्रेन लगा करके वापस उनको कानपुर लेके चले गए हैं। कुछ बस से भी चले गए और कानपुर में एक ट्रेन वहाँ पर एक रेडी कर लिया गया है, उसमें हम लोग बैठा करके गंतव्य स्थल की तरफ भेजा जाएगा। ये तो डिटेलमेंट के बाद हो ही जाता है। नहीं, उस ड्राइवर का जो स्टेटमेंट था उसमें कोई चीज़ टकराने की आवाज़ आई थी, तो फिर बाकी तो डिटेल इन्वेस्टिगेशन के बाद ही पता चलेगा। अब इसके ऊपर हम लोग प्लान कर रहे हैं, टाइमिंग का अभी हम लोग असेसमेंट ले रहे हैं।
According to the railways, 7 trains have been cancelled and 3 diverted due to the derailment. Officials said that buses were arranged to carry passengers from accident site to the Kanpur railway station. Additionally, an 8 coaches MEMU train departed from Kanpur to accident site to carry passengers back to Kanpur. The railways has issued the following helpline numbers. Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav tweeted that the engine of Sabarmati Express hit an object placed on the track as sharp hit marks are observed. Evidence is protected. IB and UP police are working on it. Bureau Report, OTV News.